Jai Saman to all.
Learning about basic introduction of the wool. Now, today we'll learn about the wool production, and I had already given the
Was related to the wool production. So today we will learn about the basic production.
how the wool. So let's start.
So the processing
Involves the different steps, and you already written all the steps also. So all the steps are like layering, thereafter shearing, scoring, welding, and shorting. These things we also study together. That is the grinding and the shorting. After that, we learn about the dyeing process. Then after dyeing, and
at last we'll learn about the making of.
yeah.
So these all are the different process of wool, and
Let's discuss one by one. First of all, we are going to learn about shearing. So what is shearing? So the definition of shearing
so ask in your exam. So you must have to learn the definition of the shearing. That is the process of removal of fleece. Here fleece, that means the hair of the sheep. Clear? So the process of removal of fleece from an animal, that is called as a shearing. Clear? Now sheep are usually shorn annually in the spring or the summer month. So here the one question will also ask in your exam, like in filling the blanks or in true false, that is the sheep are usually shorn annually during which month. So the answer is spring or summer month. Clear? And what is the meaning of shorn? Shorn means having the hair or wool cut. Okay, the wool that cut from the sheep body. So that is the shorn. So sheep are usually shorn annually in the spring or summer month with manual. Okay, manual, that means we have to cut the hair from the outer surface of the sheep with the razor. Okay, with the hand. Clear? And also we use the blade or with special clippers. So with three things: the fleece of the sheep that cut down, that are first is razor, second is blade, or third is special clippers. Okay. Now shearing is just like a haircut of the sheep. Clear? Shearing is just like a haircut, and also shearing does not hurt the sheep. This process that not hurt the sheep. Okay. In fact, it actually helps them by removing the heavy woolen coat. Clear? So the hair that doesn't hurt the sheep, it will actually help them by removing the heavy woolen coat, and which they do not require in the summer season. Clear? Because during the summer they feel like a very hot, that's why they not require the hair during the summer season. Clear? So this is the first process, that is the shearing. And which thing you have to remember in this process, that is the removal of fleece. Okay, you have to write down this definition in an appropriate manner. Okay, so the first process, that is the shearing, you have to pronounce this as a shearing. Now the second one, that is the scoring. Second is the scoring. Clear? Now the scoring involves the washing of sheep hair. Here after cut down the sheep hair, the second process, that is the washing of the sheep hair in the tank to remove the grease, the dust part, and also the dirt from the hair. Clear? So scoring means washing of the sheep hair, and you already seen the video, animated video which I already given to you in the last lecture. Clear? Now the sheep hair contains a lanolin oil, and this lanolin oil, that is the natural oil. Okay, the lanolin oil, that is the natural oil, and we get this oil from the sheep hair. Clear? And this hair of the sheep contain, we all know about it, that lanolin oil, and which is also removed in this process. Okay, so during the scoring process we have to also remove out the lanolin oil from the sheep hair. Clear? And it is done with the help of the machine. Okay, this is not the manual process. The first thing, that is the shearing, that is the manual process, and we have to cut the hair with the help of the razor blade. Clear? And the scoring is not the manual process. Manual process, that means we have to do with our hand, okay, by human being, and the scoring is not the manually process. This will done with the help of the machine. Okay, now it is done with the help of machine. Where the shorn wool, okay, where the shorn wool, that means the wool that we taken from the wool, the sheep body. So the shorn wool is washed with the detergent or chemicals, and after then dry it. Okay, so scoring is basically the washing of the sheep hair. Done. Now the third process, that is the grading. Okay, so after removing the hair, then after washing the hair, now we have to grade out the sheep hair. Okay, and then after sort it out. Clear? So this process is the grading process or sorting process. So grading is the breaking of the fleece. Okay, the breaking of the fleece based on the quality of the wool. We all know about that when we went into the market to buy any woolen cloth. So at that time some woolen clothes are very costly. Why? Because in that woolen cloth the wool quality is different. Yes, the good quality of wool they use. Why? Because of the wool is in a good quality, that's why. Okay, so this is the process to grade the wool. And the term fleece is used to refer to a type of wool that is not proceed to make fiber. Clear? The term fleece, that means the hair that present in into the body of wool. So the term fleece is used to refer the type of wool, that is the type of wool that present in the body of sheep, and that is not proceed to make fiber. Okay, and in sorting, so from this line to fiber you have to write related to the grading. Now the sorting method. So in sorting, the wool is categorized on the basis of length, the color, the texture, and the ease in which it can be dyed. Okay, so in the sorting, the wool is categorized on the basis of length, color, texture, and ease in which can be dyed. Okay, so basically this is the sorting method. Okay, that we already or always sort out the vegetables that we buy from the market. Okay, and the inferior quality wool is sorted from the best quality. Okay, the inferior quality wood, that is the good quality of wood, is sorted out from the best quality, and the blur or fuzz or the soft fluffy fiber that are removed manually from the wool, which are not in a good quality of wood, so they are manually removed from the wool. Okay, so this is basically the grading system and the sorting system of the wool. Clear? Now after grading and sorting, the next process, that is the dyeing and the drying. Now we have to color our cloth. Okay, so dyeing means coloring of the cloth. So the fibers after sorting or grading, okay, the next is the dyeing, and in that the dyes are in various color. Okay, we all know about it because we all are wearing different color clothes. Okay, and that all clothes are passed out from this process. Clear? So the fibers are then dye in various color as per the demand. Okay, because we all like the different colors. Somebody like the blue color, somebody likes the white, some black, and etc. Okay, so these all colors are demand with the various colors, and then dried using the rollers or squeeze out as much as water as possible. So this whole process pass it out from the water. Okay, wash from the water, and then the wool is weighed or packed into the blades. Here blade means generally after the completion of this process the wool is packed, okay, or bundle. Suppose हम जैसे पैकिंग करते हैं, okay, so as the same way here the wool is bladed out or packed out, and then after it transported to the mills where they are proceed further. Clear? So the dyeing and the drying, that means the coloring of the clothes. Okay, and the last process, that is the making of yarn. Okay, the making of yarn, here after this drying method the colored fiber are combed. Okay, here they all are combing. Yes, so the colored fiber are combed, straightened, and rolled into the yarn, and this is called as a cardling process. Cardling means the all fibers that are combed, then after straightened, and then after it roll it on. Okay, the roll it on, that is called as a cardling process. And the wool fibers after cardling are twisted and then after turned to form the yarn in the spinning machine. If you visited sometimes the factory, how they make the denim jeans, okay, so you can clear out this making of yarn process in a deep manner. Okay, and I am attaching that process here also, so you have to watch that video and then after clear your doubt. Now the wool is then woven and then after knitted. Okay, the wool is woven or knitted. Knitted yani goothna. Okay, so the wool is woven or knitted into the fabric. Okay, the fabric, and our chapter name is also fiber to fabric. That is from कपड़ा बनाना. ओके, यानी एक दोरे धागे में से हमको कपड़ा बनाना है. सो द वूल इज देन वोवन एंड नीटेड इनटू द फैब्रिक either by manually or by the machine. Clear? So this is the end process, that is the making of yarn. So we repeat all the process one more time. The first process, that is the shearing. The second one is the scoring. In that we have to wash the sheep hair, then after we have to grading the wool and sort it out as per the depends on the length, color, texture. Okay, and then after the dyeing we have to dye all these fibers related to the demand. Okay, then after dry it and then after proceed it further and making of yarn. So this is the end process of the wool production. Clear? So students, if you don't understand in this video, so you can ask me any question in the comment box, and here I am attaching one worksheet and you have to sort it out and click out the screenshot of that worksheet and send it. Clear? And enjoy your day. Keep learning. Jai Swaminarayan.